Selamat pagi. Today's video we're gonna be going to, it's a dream come true, guys. One of the nicest waterfalls you'll ever see. At least I've seen it like that in pictures. I'm talking about Tumpak Sewu. However, it has the sketchiest trek of all from what I've heard. So sketchy that it broke, and the trek to Tumpak Sewu was broken today, so we can't go via the original way. However, there's a second option via this other waterfall called Goa Tetes. You go there and then you're able to kind of hike your way through there and get to Tumpak Sewu. So should be an adventure nonetheless. Over here, you're gonna pay, I like the prices written already, 10K. Here you go, my friend. Terima kasih. So 10K to go in here, 5K the parking, and we're gonna make our way now. Same as the other one. No drugs allowed here, no holding hands, no guns, no littering. If only people actually obeyed the littering part. They should enforce it and tax them with money, like give them a fine. They'll never litter again. Oh, this dude almost dropped his phone. All right, gonna make our way through this trek and take you along for the ride. So far, 5 minutes into the trail, this is what you can kind of expect. You have this metal railing on the side to hang on, so this is not bad at all. We'll see if it gets any harder, because I really heard that the Tumpak Sewu trail was insane, extremely sketchy. This one so far, nothing bad at all. Seems like the bar here broke, so we got a rope for replacement. Check out what's keeping it from moving away. Nice. All right, I see why they put a little sign back there that this part is slippery, because it's wet. It's moving. Oh sketch. Yeah. Woo. I cannot imagine this during the, oh, this thing just really moves, but I can't imagine this during the rainy season. But it looks like we reached our first little work of art here by nature. Wow, it's a nice way to start. Check it out. Oh, nice. They have a garbage collection going there. Oh, your shoes. All right. Wow, so where do we go from here? The trail kind of finished here. I guess we walk through the waterfall. So when you get to this part here, there's no clear sign saying where to go. We just see people coming this way, and it's the only way you can go. It's either down the mountain or just climb this little work of art here. There's a local guide there with like 2 foreigners. We saw 2 scooters parked up there, so it's probably theirs. Selamat pagi. Pagi. Pagi.
Speak Bahasa?
No, I just know little words to help me survive.
Hati-hati, you be careful.
Okay, thank you, thank you. All right, said be careful, so let's not take it. Hey guys, where are you guys from?
Spain.
Spain. Oh, ¿hablan español?
Sí.
¿De qué parte de España?
Mallorca.
De Mallorca. Ah, de Venezuela.
Ah, muy bien.
Está bien.
Sí, sí.
¿Y qué tal les parece esto acá?
Muy bonito.
Increíble, llegaron hasta Tumpak.
Sí, hemos ido a fondo y hemos visto la cueva que hay aquí arriba.
¿Es una cueva de arriba también?
Sí,
Ah,
Sí, una cueva
Muy
y
bonita.
nos hemos ido rayando, súper bonito.
ok. Está
Para
bien.
un poco, ten cuidado, pero bueno.
Sí.
Cuidado, claro.
Sobre
Pasito
todo
tuntún y ya.
las tierras amarillas.
Las amarillas, estas así.
No, amarillas y algunas
Como
son como
naranjadas.
rojas y se resbalan un montón.
Ok, vale pues.
Con cuidado y no pasa nada.
Venga.
Lo pasé bien.
Gracias, igual. All right, guys. 2 people from Spain. They gave us some tips. They said it's slippery. Just take your time with it. So we're gonna do that. We got all day. If you're wondering what the girls are, they stayed at the pool. They stayed home. There was a pool, and they're just chilling over there while the boys are going out on an adventure. Wow, this feels like Drake's Uncharted, but like real life. It's a video game, by the way. Wow, and there's more water up there. There's a cave up there. They told me there's a cave up there. Yeah. Wow. Let's go see the view from the edge here. Incredible, and the best has yet to come. I almost slipped there. All right, let me put this camera away. There's a sign. Telagabiru that way, Goa Tetes that way, and all right, so Cebu is that way. We're gonna go check out that cave up there and just climb this. This is incredible. I like the cave though. We have arrived at a little pool. Little baby tadpoles swimming everywhere. But check out the cave here. Check out the rock formations. I couldn't make this place up. There goes the cave. Gonna make our way up there. But check this out, it's just water's coming from everywhere. There's not one definitive source of this water. It's just a little bit from everywhere. Wow, caves everywhere. If I was like an explorer back in the day, I will be sure there will be some treasure here or something, or this was a video game. Wow. There's a lot of vegetation growing in here. I wouldn't be surprised to see a snake or some sort of monitor, maybe even some bats. Oh wow, it continues all the way around. Let's pull out the phone light. Wow. Sorry about the darkness, but I had to crouch a little bit. Wow, it's like it's raining. I'm noticing you guys can't see anything, but this is the inside of the cave. Can't make this work any way. Woo! All right, it's pretty deep in here. I could hear a lot of water on this side. Wow. I don't know about back here, but I think this is the source of the water. Yeah, I hear it just dropping down. All right. This is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, if something was to just grab my leg right now, whew, I don't know what I'll do, because I know it could only be a snake or some type of lizard. All right, let's check out the bigger cave. Whoa. Wow. Guess he's gonna show us the way there. Waterfall crossing. With one hand, because the other hand's for the GoPro. After you jump from there to here, I'm just kidding, I didn't jump. I walked across. But anyways, let's explore cave number 2. This is the big one. Woo. Wow. Whoever discovered this place must have had like the time of their lives. Wow. This is beyond anything I can describe. Like these formations here, second to none. You got some vines here just getting water 24/7. Wow. What is this stuff? It's like different material there. Oh boy. Alright, phone light again. Or maybe not, you guys can see a little bit. Nah, I'm gonna have to get the light. Alright. Whoa. The sand there just swallowed up my foot, literally. Alright, I'm not going over there. I don't know if it's quicksand or not, but I'm not gonna find out. Surprised I haven't found a bat here. Keep on rolling through. Oh, there's like a lone leaf over here growing. Wow. Wow. This is just like, even if Disney World tried to replicate this in a park, impossible. It's too beautiful. This is why I like Indonesia. You're allowed to go in here and just interact with stuff. Just don't break anything. If this was in the US, they'll have this place like locked down and you wouldn't be able to go in it at all. Just kind of see it from outside probably. Maybe you can slide down here. Not really. Alright, now we go down to what we came for. Tumpak Sewu. Tumpak or Tupac? I'm not sure, man. Tupac. We're gonna call it Tupac. A bit of a confusion here because the sign there says Goa Tetes that way, but we just came from Goa Tetes and the other sign told us to go this way. I think we're just gonna go down and take it from there along this sketchy rocky coast. Alright, it looks like we found the way down, guys, but it couldn't be any more sketch than this. Like, this is what's holding us from going down. What the hell? Wow. Alright, I can't film this, but you can see it's crazy. I'm gonna put the camera away for safety. Alright, after you make it through the trail of death, it gets easier. Honestly, I can say it looks like it gets easier. At least there's no waterfall just going down, but you have the sketchiest staircase just moving. Anytime he's touching it, it's like moving from side to side. Ah. Alright, down we go. Woo! Whoa! Sorry for the terrible filming, but this thing is deep and it's really sand. Whoa, what is this? I just smashed my head on that. I'm alive though. Whoa, you get more waterfalls though. Check that out. And then this is connected to I don't know what. Yeah, it's not that bad right now. I really wonder if I fall and I grab this with all my weight, like what's gonna happen? Let's not find out. I don't want to find out. All right, hati hati. I believe that means be careful. Hati hati, hati hati, Kevin. Huh? Jalan Kuram. Wow. I can't explain how steep it is right now. It's like you're just like on the edge. Oh. What was this? Was this nice?
Yeah, not too bad.
Alright, at least I see the river down there. I think we're like halfway down. But yeah, more waterfalls. The city of waterfall. I think there's like 6 or 8 waterfalls all within 20 minutes of each other. But each one takes about 5 hours to visit. Alright, going back down. Then you have trees that just grow everywhere, random rocks. Like with each step that you take, you feel gravity just pushing you down. All 9.8 meters per second squared are just like taking you down. Like human, you belong on the ground. All right, back to another sketchy road. All right, maybe we do one at a time. You really need the rope on this one. Oh, I see some people. Oh, they're taking a bath. I see locals everywhere. So far, I've just seen 4 foreigners. That's what I love about places like this. I like places with foreigners too, don't get me wrong. How you meet people, but... Hey, what's up, bro?
Hello.
What's going on, guys? Enjoying the safest trek of life?
Yeah. Yeah, but we're almost there.
Almost there, yeah. You guys need like another 30 minutes, bam. Alright. Make that 6 foreigners. 6 bules, as they say here in Indonesia. Check this out. These bamboo sticks are keeping us alive right now. What the hell? Look, the rubber rope. Hey Kevin, the rubber rope, it broke. Oh look, they got it stapled over there. They got some nails that's connecting it. They nailed this to the tree. That is what's holding us. A rubber rope nailed to a bunch of trees. Gotta love it. Alright, back to the rope. Oh, and then after the ropes is some wooden steps. I'm really trusting these steps. They're nailed down. Oh man. Time like this, you kind of wish you stopped doing so many food blocks so you can lose some weight. Those 5 kilos might come in handy when it comes down to that nail holding you. Oh, wow. All right, that is worth another picture. Oh, wow, I'm sure we can go down there. Yeah. You think we can go around after we go down? Yeah. Wow. Check it out, guys. We got a little skink. He disappeared. All right, we have a skink there, but check this out. Now we're at the bottom here. Mamma mia. And that's not even Tumpak Sewu. We still gotta walk 100 meters that way. But this is Goa Tetes. Wow. I don't know, take a shot every time I say wow in this video, or oh my god, or something like that. I dare you. Everywhere you look, there's a huge waterfall around every corner, and it gets different every time. You begin to get spoiled. At this point, I hope that my expectations for Tumpak Sewu can be achieved, because everything we just seen is freaking amazing. We'll see though. Everybody seems to be stacking up rocks over there. 10,000 for, oh, this is Tumpak?
Yeah. Tumpak Sewu Waterfall.
Tumpak Sewu, okay, so we pay here. From Goa Tetes, where we just were, it's clearly marked. Just a 10-minute walk to Tumpak. Like I said, the trail is closed from Tumpak, so they collect the money here. This dude is there waiting to collect 10,000 rupees, less than $1 to see stuff like this. That's incredible. And then people, I don't know, they decided to make these little rock things. They look nice. Yeah, I got the feeling that Google Translate did the translation, because it doesn't sound right at all. The waterfall's just beyond that valley, but first we must cross this. I love Indonesian engineering. I love it. There's two options. I have two options. I could either take this one or that one. I think I like this one more. Ah, but it's rock solid. It's good. Perfectly stable. It didn't even budge. Let's check out when Kevin crosses. If you fall, it'll be on video. This video will get 1 million views. It's not hard. Yeah, it just looks frightening a little, but none out of this world. All right, now it's slippery on the floor. They provide the rope again, but the ground is very dry here, so I wouldn't even worry about it. It looks like ganja growing everywhere, but it's not. I think it's 100% illegal. I think you even get killed. You get the death sentence if you're selling marijuana in Indonesia. We are almost there, guys. Starting to get a few peeks of what's coming. We crossed one more of these bad boys, and just be patient, it's coming. Whoa! Have you ever seen anything like this? Wow, this water is falling everywhere. This is what Carlos Volpe wanted to see. This is, you have to come here for yourself. There's no way else to put it. This camera will never do it justice. The coolest part about everything right now is that we're literally the only ones here. Literally. You get this place all to yourselves. Guys, this is incredible. Like, impossible to look at it too much without getting misty water in your eyes. But have a look. It feels like a hurricane here, like just wind, and oh, it feels refreshing though. Just hard to look at it. These are views, guys. These are just insane views. I can officially say that I walked across a river. Up here are some ladders, like some wooden little ladders. That was the original way to come here, but they said it broke. So, but it looks more direct. It looks like you just climb a ladder here, a ladder there, and you're up. And back up. The wooden steps we go. Oh. Wow. All right. Yep. Feel free to skip leg day whenever you come over here. Just about made it back to the top. Be ready for a workout, I promise you. Anyway, we're gonna pick up the girls and drive around and see the panoramic view from up top. It's supposed to be epic. And the girls want to see a waterfall, so let's go check that out. All right, Kevin's bike just ran out of gas. The thing is that all the gauges are broken, so luckily we got stuck there and we just had to walk over here. It looks like this dude is ready for the job. It's like he's like a wizard and he just has like a little potion. Bloop, 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 bloop. Dua. Not bad. Berapa?
12.
12. I don't understand.
Ini je.
How much?
Satu ah.
How much? 5,000? 10,000? Berapa? How much? 10? 12. Okay, 12,000. All right, 12,000. That's not even a dollar. All right, so we didn't continue going to Sewu. Thank you, brother.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
What was I saying? Oh, we didn't go see the panoramic view. We're not leaving the home. See you next week. All right, we'll see you next week, bro. Keep waiting for us. Don't wait too much, bro. Maybe next year. I don't know if I end the video now. I think so. Yeah, now's a good time to end it. Wow, the moon. You can see the moon up there. All right, guys, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one.